eyes out.
That a boy.
Like a little baby.
KB, you washing your motorcycle?
You watch for him to turn around with that thing. Good boy. You see him?
Good job.
He knows how to
Yeah.
put it on.
Side of me riding around the hood. Gotta wash up, gotta put the shine on my wheels. Yeah! No, clean your motorcycle. Mama's truck don't need no cleaning.
You don't need to clean Mommy's truck. Go wash your motorcycle.
KB, rinse off the motorcycle. You gonna clean everything now?
He cleaned it last time we were out here washing the fridge parts. He cleaned my truck.
KB, come clean your hog.
Here. Mommy's gonna do it. Well, come in. Well, do it.
Rinse it.
Wash it real good, baby.
Spray it off.
Your motorcycle, silly.
Say, Mom, I got soap all over the truck. Oh, yeah. That a boy.
You gotta take good care of your new motorcycle.
Dad got me a bicycle today. I gotta take care of it. Oh, shit.